Yeah, yeah.
Summers on the track.
Is that? Be a man, I stay up on your waist when you send it round. Your pretty shape never left you anywhere you go later than near. So I bet if me tell you now, what the fuck you tell me straight?
Morning, everybody.
Rise and shine.
Weekly vlog number 2. Alright guys, I am done applying my mask, brushing my teeth. So I am going to make myself some brekkie. Wait, I should probably spread my bed first. So let's do that. Alright guys, so I finished spreading my bed as you guys can see, and I washed the thing off. The mascara palette was getting a bit cakey and nasty. So we're gonna make breakfast. I don't know if I want like eggs and bacon or boiled eggs or scrambled eggs, bacon, pancakes, ramen. I kind of feel for I can't bother with myself. I don't know, I can't decide. Like, I want fruits, but I don't have fruits. Like, I have melon. That's it. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna make breakfast. So let's go. Watch it. So shit. I retire. Taveionn. I actually finished eating, took a nap, a shower, and I was supposed to go and look at an apartment. I locked my keys inside my house, so it's not like we can just go to an apartment, we can go back in the house, we can go. So the person I wait on me, and I'm waiting on a locksmith to get here. Need them for hurry up. I'm just annoyed. I can't bother myself, you know? Like, why no? Why am I going to do this when I'm not have nothing to do? But yeah, guys, I'm just try the. I don't know, I did up there, try bust down the door. Can't bother.
I'm in the ghetto. Ra-ta-ta-ta.
Hey, y'all, I'm back inside. I'll probably pick this up back tomorrow because I wanted to go and look at some. Oh, by the way, I like the apartment. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm ready to go look on some like bed set and stuff at the furniture store, but I can't bother. I'm tired, so I'm gonna do all of that tomorrow. I was supposed to wash my wig and everything, but your girl is drained. So yeah, may I go lie down? No, guys, mega season my chicken for cook later. So when I lazy later, I'm gonna have to do too much. So yeah, guys. So I'm home for good now. So short love story. The other day I went home for Mother's Day to see my mom, and then her helper put me on to this thing called star fruit, star apple, star. I don't have any idea what it's called. Star fruit or star apple. And I brought them to Kingston and I ate 5 of them one time. Finally find it back and I buy 2 bags of them. Also bought this. I think this is a plum that I'm gonna try. So yeah, I'm gonna watch some TV and just relax now. I seasoned the chicken for later, so when I start cooking, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Lame ass day, I know. Hey guys, so I did make my dinner. I make some, it's like healthy pasta with chicken and shrimp and cabbage and carrots, and I'm gonna drink my juice. I already vlogged much today because it was kind of a hectic day, rush. So tomorrow I'll pick up again and take you guys on the road with me. I know my face is trash, I don't care, deal with it. We're over this. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl. Never like someone just has seen me. Anyways, it's the next day. Yesterday I did hectic. Now it's very late. It's like 2 o'clock today. What am I gonna do all day? I'm sleep. I did my mask. I had breakfast. I ate some of the pasta that I made last night for breakfast because we never eat it off. Another night. What else? Oh, I also ate a fruit, a star fruit, and something like that. I ate a lunch, the chocolate thingy. What else? I had coffee. Them done now, so I don't know. Just get the light. Anyway, them done now, so I don't know. My God, because I don't shop at Price Mart because I refuse to pay for a membership card. Get away. What? Who are you? Get out of my face. I will not. I went to the supermarket like twice yesterday and I still not have everything what I need. Like, I just not make no sense. I don't make no sense. I don't know if I cook for dinner tonight either. Can't find out where. Sneaky link once. We're gonna see Shelby now, but sneaky link. Think she's easy. Anyway, drive up, sir, please. On the way currently on my way to the furniture store because I need a new bed set. You can see. That's my college my college bed in my room. My college, going to college bed, and schedule. I hate it! It's disturbing me. The whole aesthetic is thrown off. Like, nah, boo. And I'm telling you, say, why this to leave? This is forever going to make me crash and dead. God forbid, knock a board. Telling some mega move, so I want to get some stuff. I'm just going to iShop today and figure out my budget, whatever, see what I'm working with. I don't know if I'm going to carry in the store then because I'm very awkward and that kind of make me feel uncomfortable. We all know we're living in Jamaica, ain't nobody vlogging shit, so I'm kind of don't want to do that. Probably shouldn't look at clips and snips when nobody now look. Yeah, so that's just a pre-reach. So I'm gonna go take a look at these. See if they have a nice bed. I know some would I get really nice things from Active Homes, but I can't afford Active, if you know what I say. Active is expensive as hell. I'm a broke child. God forbid, knock a board. So don't take it, bitch. That's why I want parking close by people. Is that too much to ask for? I don't think so. I'm gonna feel like that's too much. Oh, there it is. I got one. Holy mother, holy. You in there? You going there? I'm gonna just get a big dirty stinking man. You could have given me the fucking parking, you know me? It's us competing for the spot for me. Why am I so nice? Oh, it's one parking there. I'm gonna just take that one. I don't know what for drive I say, but I tell you say, I don't think this legal, but me I go drive. Sorry, let me take a park right this way. I'm sorry. Sorry, excuse me. Why am I talking about? Why am I so embarrassing? People I'm totally forget something there in front of me. I'm there and I try to myself. I'm tired! Today was one of my lazy days, so that's why I never really listen to nothing. One of those days that I just sleep. Anyway guys, I should be moving next week. One never asked me. My man told me them somewhere. I couldn't interested. We'll go in at the store and see what I'm up. See the prices, see what I'm working with. This is supposed to be one of the cheapest places them. I don't know right name, so don't ask me. I don't know right name. If I'm not sitting near them, I forgot just go Active Ones and just run the check. But I'm gonna see. Today is just eye shopping day where I'm seeing what everybody has, seeing what they have. So hopefully I see something nice. I don't really like dress on them something. I need it, you know? I have too much clothes enough to have them thing there. Let's go! Guys, I forgot like the place that I'm moving to don't have a fridge either, so I need to look at fridges as well. Refrigerators as well. I really want one of these dispenser things, but Samsung something them kinda too steep for a fridge for me. Right now. Ooh, yes. Now we're talking, but we don't have a deep freeze with this. I hate this. No. I hate it. Never mind. So I like this. I wonder if I do like pants. Cheap. Saying the same thing. But I like this. Blue sunset. Off a meal. Crazy, man. So that's a no. Okay, guys. I'm finished. The place named Kemlani Mart, by the way. Them bed them solo and whatever. But as I said, I also forgot that I needed a fridge, so may I keep them in mind for the fridge. I took the person that was helping me. I took her number and something. And I'm fine with all about the fridge. I'm still wearing the nice fridge, but my mom said that I should keep looking, try to find cheaper stuff, better quality stuff. So I'm gonna sing. Why am I getting people a free promotion? Yes, I'm gonna let me smile. What did I say? Yeah, people. What was so funny? What did I say? What do you remember? Yeah, I'm gonna go sing her. Brain and lag. Don't blow me. You know I'm not man, sir. I'm not saying. Me, I got singer. Go look pan bed set because. Oh, church shit. Sorry, people. I'm so sorry. Oh my God, you saw me being a bitch. Immaculate people, them there school. School if I keep a what? I hate that for you guys. I'm not gonna lie. Camera in my way. We cannot see. Y'all, so we're gonna sing I know. I don't know what singer they do. Off a tree. Singing off a tree. My mother good like that trick me. Singer in a half a tree. I'm gonna look up that people. Baby. Alright guys, so the GPS brought me. I'm gonna use my phone, so that's why I'm never did that. But the GPS brought me to New Kingston. For all my foreign viewers, the GPS brought me to New Kingston. That is not where the place is. So I called my mother. She said it's beside passport office. So man, turn back. I'm gonna go down in the apple tree. What are them have? I'm a dork for fruits, y'all. Dork. I'm tired. Okay, I'm done. Could I reach already? I'm gonna follow this mad something. Like, why you bring me right here, so? Oh, me hate that, sir. I'm a shouldn't for that because my mother said freaking New Kingston. Alfred Tree, not New Kingston. Why would I bring me not even close to the women actually I go? Me hate that, man. Disturb my peace. We don't eat a pizza. Or some crab. You know more crab? We ate lobster last night, but oh guys, I didn't get lobster. I ate lobster last night. I did. But more on crab. I like the juicy juice. I feel for bad. Frappuccino, but nah. Maybe I'll try to contain myself because I need to stop it. Somebody can buy me a rose. No man stay about it. Leave me alone. I'm not gonna have people, someone just put on my hand. Whenever I ever know they I'm weak. I took off the week yesterday. And I did ball. But just having my cane rounds. More one of this. So come here. Hi. How much for this? Green one. Thank you. When people want to say my food, wash them some earbuds. I'm white right now, so I'm just gonna wipe it off in my clothes. Oh, I almost squished. I don't know if you do this in a corona time or no time, but I'm sorry y'all. I'm starving. My life? Just eat. Slap. Watch ya! I joked it! People are put for them life, yo. I swear, people. That was not really rich. One Batman just right across the road a while ago. Like him did like him did there with all that and wait until we reach close to drive right across. Like, why you there? Why you want me if you kill him? You want me to ride with drive with? People, I'm kidding. What up? Yeah, for taste so good. Plum. So, I am here. I thought I'd just take 2 seconds. From Mama delay, so I'm going to look at the camera. Well, you guys, I'm going to go in. Y'all know that awkward shit in Jamaica, so we'll see if we get snippets. Hey guys, so I decided that I'll get Burger King again. I not even know what I feel for. I eat what I know if eat. Cause now Burger King now actually satisfy my needs and my wants. Because I'm gonna try. I'm gonna buy onion rings, so I'm gonna try it. But it tastes like shit. But that should I go? Oh, I'm gonna buy that chicken and no oil. I'm gonna cook. Gotta make some mac and cheese. I'm so. How do I sound? I'm tired. Come on, let me not drive through for 15 years. I can't bother for talk. I'm annoyed. Are we upload the people them for say? This man in a drive through a blow people. My eye a glitch out. It has spasm. I don't know why. You see? Wait, I'm trying to see. You see it a while ago? I don't want to see it. I don't know what's wrong with it. This one got me out. I think I'm gonna get the fridge from. I don't believe the name. Camelot. Sir, let me show them the money. Come Iggy Fee. Sorry about the drop. Come just don't know what the man is want the people them to do. It's me and same, even if I have no money. I have money in my card, but like will it go through because I need I'm gonna press my card a while ago, so quick. Then people have to even tell me that amount. How the man come embarrass me? I'm not embarrassed now. So for this face, no? Take off something off for that. I don't think the price from them is so. Here if I looked at this $1,850. Must can buy it. If you can't, I drive both of the drive. Huh? What you said? How much is it? I never get the total. Thanks. Thank you. Oh, top. What is my total, sir? The onion rings. Should I do a onion ring taste test? It's tingle. I'm afraid. I like stink things, you know. Try to go in the big pot over there. Hey, I did it. Yeah, me. Anyways, guys, so we're gonna do this taste test. Me. Oh God, my vomit. Oh Jesus. Please, Taveionn. Your face. I should eat this up. Drink some juice. Why am I buy this though, God? Why? Why? Oopsie. Just a short hour. Sorry. I'm very sorry. Really did feel like me that go over make me put it so. Onion ring sick stomach, people. Don't ever buy that in your life. Consistency is gross. It looks like it's an actual freaking onion in there. Like onion flavor and what? I don't want to eat one beat down onion. Oh, so gross. You know what I mean by it? It was too horrific. Horrified, traumatized. Guys, so you tell me I so I'm reaching inside. Go at the camera. Hey guys, I don't know how long it's been, but it's been a little while. I can't lie, but I'm just here to end the vlog. I don't know how this vlog was. I don't know how it went. I'm not too sure, but we're gonna make something of it. And I'm here to end it. I know, horrible. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Please, I'm begging you to leave a comment and hit the like button. Like, don't you guys want to see your girls thrive? Damn. Let's go. Let's get it. Get me to, I don't know, 400 comments. Almost done. Not bad. 500, 400, somewhere like this. So, yeah, guys. So thanks for tuning in. It's your girl TT in the building. Bye.